Have you ever wondered if you could build a massive YouTube brand without spending thousands on video production team? What if I told you that artificial intelligence has completely revolutionized the game, making it possible to create professional content at a fraction of the cost while working faster than ever before? Today, we're diving deep into how AI tools are transforming YouTube brand building, making what used to cost businesses tens of thousands of dollars now achievable for just a few hundred. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why smart creators are choosing AI over traditional hiring, and I'll show you the specific tools that are making millionaires out of everyday people. The traditional route to building a YouTube brand used to be expensive and time-consuming. Think about it. You'd need to hire a video editor for anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 per month. A graphic designer would cost you another $1,000 to $3,000 monthly. Don't forget about scriptwriters, thumbnail creators, social media managers, and voiceover artists. We're talking about a monthly overhead that could easily hit $10,000 to $15,000 before you even start seeing results. But here's where things get interesting. AI has completely flipped the script. Instead of hiring an entire production team, you can now achieve the same results with intelligent software that works around the clock, never asks for raises, and delivers consistent quality every single time. Let me break down the economics for you. A professional video editor charges roughly $50 to $100 per hour. Creating a single 10-minute YouTube video typically requires 8 to 12 hours of editing work. That's potentially $1,200 for just one video. Now imagine you're posting 3 times per week. You're looking at over $14,000 monthly just for editing. Compare that to modern AI video tools. For less than $200 per month, you can access software that generates complete videos, including editing, music, captions, and even AI presenters. The math is staggering. What used to cost you $14,000 monthly now costs less than $200. That's a 98% cost reduction while often achieving better consistency and faster turnaround times. The speed advantage is equally impressive. Traditional video production involves multiple rounds of revisions, scheduling conflicts, and communication delays. A single video might take 2 weeks from concept to publication. AI tools can generate the same quality video in under 30 minutes. You type in your concept, the AI creates the script, generates visuals, adds music, and produces a finished video while you grab a cup of coffee. But cost and speed aren't the only advantages. AI tools offer incredible scalability that human teams simply cannot match. Want to create content in 5 different languages? Traditional hiring would require multilingual voice actors, translators, and cultural consultants. With AI, you input your content once and generate versions in dozens of languages instantly. Consider the flexibility factor too. Human contractors have schedules, vacation time, and availability constraints. AI works 24/7, 365 days a year. Need a video at 2 in the morning? No problem. Want to test 15 different thumbnail designs? Done in minutes, not days. The learning curve with AI tools is remarkably gentle compared to managing teams. Instead of coordinating multiple personalities, skill levels, and communication styles, you're learning one interface that consistently improves over time. Many creators report becoming proficient with AI video tools within a single weekend, whereas building and managing an effective production team can take months or even years. Quality concerns about AI-generated content are rapidly becoming outdated. Modern AI can create photorealistic avatars, generate compelling scripts, and produce visuals that rival professional studios. The technology has reached a tipping point where the output is often indistinguishable from human-created content, sometimes even superior due to consistency and precision. Here's something fascinating. AI tools are democratizing high-end production techniques. Color grading, motion graphics, and sophisticated editing tricks that previously required years of training are now accessible through simple prompts. You're essentially getting access to expert-level skills without the expert-level investment in time or money. The testing and iteration possibilities with AI are game-changing. Want to test 10 different video styles to see what resonates with your audience? With human teams, that's weeks of work and thousands of dollars. With AI, it's a few hours and minimal additional cost. This rapid testing capability means you can find your winning formula faster and scale more effectively. Risk management is another crucial advantage. Hiring employees or contractors always carries risks. They might quit at crucial moments, deliver inconsistent work, or require extensive management overhead. AI tools provide predictable, reliable output that eliminates these human resource challenges. The creative possibilities expand exponentially when you're not constrained by budget limitations. Want to experiment with animated explainer videos, talking head content, product demos, and educational series simultaneously? Traditional hiring would require different specialists for each format. AI tools often handle multiple content types within the same platform. Data integration capabilities of AI tools provide insights that human teams cannot match. These platforms track performance metrics, suggest optimizations, and automatically adjust strategies based on audience response. It's like having a data analyst, strategist, and production team rolled into one intelligent system. The bottom line is clear. AI tools are not just cheaper alternatives to hiring people, they're often superior solutions that provide better results, faster delivery, and infinite scalability. We're witnessing the biggest shift in content creation since the internet itself. The creators and businesses that embrace these tools now are positioning themselves for massive advantages over those clinging to outdated, expensive traditional methods. The question isn't whether you should use AI for your YouTube brand, it's how quickly you can get started. Ready to experience this revolution firsthand? I've put together an exclusive opportunity for you to test these game-changing AI tools with no upfront commitment. Click the link in the description below to try it out and see exactly how TubeMargic AI can transform your YouTube brand building journey starting today.